Good afternoon, it's Peter Boulton. Are you still hoping that things will change for you? It reminds me of the expression that Jim Rohn used to use, where he was taught by his mentor that if you want things to change, you have to change. And Jim took exception to that and started to change things in his life about what he was doing to improve things for himself, and then did exceptionally well. So I guess in this video today, I'm just encouraging all of us to think about, how we need to change if we're hoping that things are going to improve, whether that's financially or in our relationships or whatever else it might be. And one of the tools that I use within business is called the 3-step process. And the 3-step process, review, plan and action, is designed to be used with business leaders and entrepreneurs to understand really, where do we start? We should start with the review. What do we actually want to achieve? We should review that. And we should also review where we are in relation to what we're trying to achieve. The second step then is to be planning. What sort of plans could we put in place that, assuming that we did those plans, we implemented those plans, would they move us closer towards achieving the objectives that we have? And the third step, of course, is taking action. That's the thing that we all need to do, isn't it? And we're always reminded, I think, from time to time that we haven't taken the appropriate action if we're trying to achieve certain things because we haven't achieved those things. So just as an encouragement today, really, I wanted to share that with you, that 3-step process that, if you're hoping things will change, I think really the lesson is that you have to change rather than just hoping. Maybe using that 3-step process of review, plan and taking action, that's one of the ways that you can start thinking about how you can change to achieve the things that you're looking to achieve. Anyway, I'll leave that with you as a thought today. Have a good one.